Hi, Namaste. On 8th of December was my first attempt of Snap. It went okayish. I tried attempting more than 50 questions with few tikka and VRC because SIBM का cutoff 42 के above ही जाता है. Snap is very fun exam though. शुरू होते ही ख़त्म हो जाता है. And scores are surprise ही. Last year I scored around 98 percentile in Snap and वो भी kind of surprise था. More like I gave all the 3 shifts और 1/3 probab था कि कुछ तो अच्छा आ ही जाएगा. If you have already given time to preparing for CAT, मेरे हिसाब से attempting mock is all you need to prepare for Snap. I have more attempts, but I will be shifting my focus to ZAT and बस देने चली जाऊँगी. Since I scored around 97.5 percentile in ZAT last year, a lot of you are asking me for tips and advices, but sadly, trust me, मैं same boat पे हूँ. I'll myself revisit the syllabus pattern and come up with plan for myself, and the most I can do to help you is share it with you. But as much as I know and जितना मेरे को याद है, my only resource would be previous year question, and if time मिलता है तो more mock questions. Previous year question reminds me of one of the efficient source, that is Disha publication. It provides 20 year-wise, which is from 2005 to 2024, original papers with authentic solutions. For extra revision, it also provides 5 mock tests designed exactly as per the latest pattern. Each mock test includes general awareness too, जिसका sources बहुत लोग ढूंढ रहे हैं. Plus point is that कि हर एक question, every question has a 100% detailed solution which helps in learning from the mistakes at the same point. I haven't came across any source or any publication which has everything required for that in the same place. Plus book से पढ़ना is more like internet distraction ही ख़त्म कर देना, जैसे बचपन में पढ़ते थे. The link is added in the description for the ones interested, and in future if I find more resources for myself or which can be useful to you, I'll share it by the next week of that. But मेरी मान लो previous year question is बहुत. All the best, मिलते हैं फिर, bye bye.